is Latasha with Full Closet Chic, and I'm coming with you today to share with you how I ship out a guitar. This is a guitar that I found at the Goodwill. It's a Squier by Fender B Bass. Don't know what that means, but I listed this guitar on eBay for I don't know what the amount was, but I'll share that with you. I'll share a snap picture of that also. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start the packing process so we can get this shipped out. Okay, so you're not going to be able to see me fully in the camera, but I'm going to start the packing process. The box that I'm using, I got this box from a furniture store. I shared that with you in my video on shipping out skis, and I shared with you also how to get these boxes. And I am going to show you today how I size the box for the guitar and make it a secure shipping. I think they call it a Frankenstein box, but we're gonna do this. Here we go. So first I'm gonna lay the guitar down. And I just want to show you, the guitar wasn't in the best condition. It had this missing. It has no strings. It's supposed to have 4 strings, but that's about it. It had the scratch on the back, but I actually think this here is removable. So whoever gets it is gonna be very happy for it. And so what I'm going to do is size the box first. Box cutters, my box cutter, and I'm going to go ahead and cut off the amount that I don't need. And I'm going to go straight through the box. Okay, everyone, so I'm going to fast forward this so that you don't have to hear the sound of the box being cut. Now, on this portion of the box, you can't see that. Let me pull it up. So there's a flap here that I left on there because I'm going to bend this. But first, what I'm going to do is score it. I'm going to score it probably about 2 inches across here. And I'm scoring it. I don't really want to break through the entire box. So I scored it. I folded on that area where I scored it, bending it there. And so, let's see. I don't want it to be too high up either. So that's going to be with that. Now what I'm going to do is, this is the width of the guitar, so I'm going to score it, give it score it again for the other side of the box. And here I'm just guessing. Fold. So that side is folded now. So that's what it's looking like. And now I'm going to score it again. You want to make the line as straight as possible, but you don't have to cry about it not being straight. Oh, I won't cry about that either. So, put that up there. I'm going to put the guitar right here. So this is the piece of the box that I cut off. So I'm going to use some of this for scrap. So I'm going to use this to tape that down. So it'll be safely in there. It's going to go just like that. We're going to fold it. It's like folding it down on top of here. Okay, so I cut these strips off, and what I'm going to do is put it across here. You see I'm going to fold it down against that, and I'm going to do the same with the other side. I'm going to fold it down against there, fold it down against there. All right. This is going to go priority mail, so I'm going to use the priority tape. I try to use the priority tape on the, if it's going to go priority mail, I definitely want to use priority tape. Okay. What I'm doing is taping down that side. So now I'm going to bend this side one more time. Well, and a good tip, and I didn't do it, but I normally do this when you mess with tape, is to, after you cut the piece that you want, if you just fold down a little piece of it, it allows you to be able to pick it up very quickly. I'm going to do the same thing with this side. But I'm going to go ahead and cut off some pieces so I'll have those things. Speed it up some because we're basically just doing the same thing we just did with the first part, just securing it. Now, the tape that I get from USPS, it's not the strongest package tape, so really you probably have to use a lot of it. It's one of the cheapest types of tape you can find, but it's really just used for boxing, taping up your box, not to be doing things like this. And for that, it's very good. You know, just to seal a box and go about the business. Okay, so that is that side. But I think I'm going to cut off another piece for the bottom part. So I'm going to cut off another piece, and I'm going to use that for this part here. Now, I don't really know what this part is, but I know it has something to do with the tuning. I didn't want these keys to break through the back of the box, so I put the cardboard on the bottom. And I decided to cut another piece and put it underneath here, so those won't get sticky from tape. Like I said, I don't think it can really get sticky from the tape, but you know. That's all I'm going to do with that. So I've taken care of this part, secured that so it don't move around. I've taken care of that part and secured it so it don't move around. And that, I think, is one of the most important things that we can do. So I'm trying my best not to let anything get broken because of my packaging. So I'm just going to cover those things up. I don't know what they're called, but those who play the guitar would know if they're messed up. So I think I do want to pull this down that way. I'm going to cut this off right here. Not so much cut it off, but open it up. So I didn't do that. Yep, about to ship out my page. Thank you. Forgot to put that in, so I'm gonna drop that in there from the back. Okay, so the reason I'm going this way is because I want to get a tight grip. When I'm pulling the tape, I try to make it as big as I can. Okay, so that is already folded. I think I'm just going to cut this one off. So I have completed my box for shipping out my guitar, and I want to thank you all for watching with me. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Please comment below. Give us some tips if you have tips on better ways to make a box. If this has helped you out, please give me a thumbs up. And again, thank you for watching. Bye.